Hey guys, Matt here with RanchArmor UTV. Today we're going to be doing a Polaris 1000 hood basket. I'm going to go over all the hardware, the install, what it takes, what you need, and how to do it. Follow along. So right here, guys, your brackets, I already have these ones installed. But your OEM bolt, you just got to put the spacer on that we give you with the hardware kit. So they're going to take them out, put them right back in after you put the spacer on. With these brackets, they can be confusing. You can put them on either side. So you need to make sure that there's a 45-degree angle going up, not that it's running parallel like this. You do not want it running parallel. You want it at a 45 going up. So once those are back in and tightened down, it holds the lock nut inside. You're going to grab your hood basket, and you're literally going to take your hardware, this is what the hardware is, times 2, obviously, because there's that side and this side. You have a metric 5.5 flush mount, 3/8 bolt, 3/8 nylock, plastic washer, and a regular 3/8 washer. And the plastic washer is going to sit in between the bracket and the mount. You ready? He's doing the same side as I am, or the opposite side in tandem with me. So you want that plastic washer to sit right inside, in between both of them. And then you'll run your bolt through. And then you'll finish out with the flat washer and your nylock, just like so. And then the tools that you're going to be using to install this, oh, if I can get that going, is a 15 deep well socket with some sort of impact or wrench, and a 5.5 metric Allen key, which looks like this. Sorry for the rest. And like this. So say you're just doing the same thing that I just did again. Then you're going to take your 5/16 thread turn knob, and you're going to put it right into this groove right here where there's a little nutsert already. Spin that on there, hand tight, give it one more crank. And then these are a 1/4-20, which is a nutsert right below. You send the 1/4-20 bolt through using an 11, and use all your strength to pull that closed. And that's it. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions or you want to purchase one, you can reach out to me directly at mj@RanchArmorUTV.com or our website, RanchArmorUTV.com, and purchase one. We can ship it out. We can install it for you, whatever you need. Just let us know, guys. Have a blessed day.